Hey guys, welcome to Dacey's Garage. So in today's episode what we're going to do is we're going to review another one of Shiny Garage's products, which is their Monster Wheel Cleaner. Never used this product before either, but I hear it's quite good. So before we start the video, because the guys over at jayswax.co.uk sent me these products, I'd just like to say a massive thanks to them for sending me the products to review. But that won't stop me giving you guys an honest review on the products. So if it's good, I'll tell you. If it's bad, I'll tell you. And again, like the other video, you'll see the footage so you'll be able to be the judge for yourself. So without further ado, let's do a review. What I need to do today is I'm obviously going to be cleaning my rather disgusting Audi. Seen a lot of motorway miles this week, so need to get it back clean again before the Monday starts. So I'm going to try it on this wheel here and see how good this stuff actually is. And then depending on the results of that, what we'll do is we'll try it on this wheel just to see what happens. So, right, I'll go and get the tripod set up, get you back on the tripod again, and then we'll crack on. So it's the same with when any time you're ever cleaning a car and using products, always wear gloves. Just protect your hands, guys. It really is quite important, especially if you detail or clean your car regularly like I do. Your hands will get really, really bad if you don't keep using gloves. So we're going to take the product, I'm going to give it a shake, and then we're just going to apply it directly to the wheel. Look at how fast that is reacting. That is absolutely insane. I've never seen a product react that quickly. But yeah, so used a fair bit of the ball right enough, but I wanted to make sure I got right into the barrels of the wheels. So we'll leave that for 2 minutes now, and then we'll power wash it off and see how good it is. Right, so that's been about 2.5 to 3 minutes, so let's get on with it, power wash this off and see how good it comes up. That stuff is amazing. I mean, that was a completely dry wheel, literally 2.5 to 3 minutes of it soaking on the wheel, and look at how clean it came up. So take it off the tripod just quickly so you can see this up close. But I mean, that's no brush, just a power wash. That is the most hands-off wheel cleaning I have ever done in my life. That is just absolutely sensational. Like I say, you can see tar spots and things that it won't come off with any kind of product. That'll need to be I'll probably have to use tar remover for that. But I mean, geez, that is just insane. I'm super impressed. So anyway, what we'll do, because that could have just been beginner's luck, we'll try it on this just as dirty wheel and see if it does the same thing. Let's get back on the tripod and we'll try this wheel now. Right, so we're going to do the exact same thing again. Give the bottle another shake just because. Cover the wheel in it and leave it for 2-3 minutes and then blast it off. Right, that's about 2.5 to 3 minutes again, so let's just blast this off and see if the first time round was a fluke. I mean, look at how good that is. So it turns out the first time wasn't a fluke. Anyway, let's get you back in the garage and we'll just do a final mop up on it. Right, so now that we're back on the tripod again, a review of Shiny Garage's Monster Wheel Cleaner. Absolutely amazing. Considering I didn't touch the wheels with a sponge, wheel woolies or anything like that, I was literally just spray it on the wheel, power wash it off, and they were quite dirty. That is just a phenomenal product. I highly recommend that to anybody that is interested in probably the fastest way to clean a set of alloys. So with that being said, guys, that's the end of the video. I would love it if you guys could go over to jayswax.co.uk, check this product out, even buy it if you're interested. Like I say, it is a really, really good product. Really recommend it. Thanks again to Jason and Colin from Jay's Wax for sending me this awesome product to review for you. And yeah, if you haven't clicked the subscribe button already and you're not subscribed to the channel, click it for me, join the team, and I will see you all in the next video. Cheers, guys.